ako bawal.
Yummy!
Yummy!
This is a salt. And you will
Dip mo na, dip na ano.
dip the salt.
Dip
Dip
ka
the
egg.
egg quill
Oh.
To the salt.
to the salt.
Then
Then
what?
open your mouth
Like this.
and
Swallow.
and you will put inside.
Ah.
And then say yummy. Nakakahiya. Nakakahiya pala minsan.
Oo, tama. Ulit.
Ano English ng balon? Remove the skin.
Shell. Eggshell.
Remove the eggshell.
First, remove the eggshell.
Hindi ba talaga kung tama ba yung eggshell?
Pwede na yun. Pwede na
Kala ko
yun.
nabulo lang. Eggshell.
Oh, dali ako habang nagsasalita ka.
Dapat ganyan ka seryoso.
Then, bilis naman konti ang init.
Because actually,
Wait.
then dip the
Egg.
squirrel's egg in the salt. Then open your mouth and
Wait,
then
wait.
put